joined here with Lauren. We have some super exciting news for you guys. So if you're a fellow follower on YouTube, you'll know that both Lauren and I really like SST. And this week, actually just yesterday, they came out with some super exciting news. SST just released 8 new shades. Not only are they shades of lipstick, but they're matte. And they also have a little bit of a plumping agent with them. So we're here to show you guys them today.
Hey, I have a great idea. Since they are new and we have not tried them yet, why don't we do a little swatching with first impressions?
Let's do it. That sounds good.
Okay, so I'm going to try the personality color. Why don't you try warm it up?
Ooh, sounds good.
Okay, upon first impressions, they smell delicious. Nice and creamy application, super smooth. It's tingly. Ooh, let's see how it looks in a couple minutes.
Okay, as Lauren said, smells amazing. Kind of like a pepperminty vanilla flavor. Really nice applicator, so let's see. Ooh, it just glides right on. Little bit of a tingling sensation, actually quite a bit, which is nice, something a little different. So let's see how it dries. So a little tip to do before it dries fully, do the good finger test because it gets on your teeth. But I mean, real life, it happens.
So I'm gonna do my, what I call my famous wear test. I have my white coffee cup, so we're gonna see if it transfers or not.
Very minimal.
Such a little amount. And that was, what do you say, 2 minutes?
2 minutes maybe.
So if you let it dry down for, I'd say, 5 or so minutes, I think that's gonna be non-existent.
And you know what? The tingling is still a little bit there, which is super, super nice. And I feel like this is gonna kind of be the perfect all-day lipstick.
I think so. And I can tell, just by looking at myself, I feel like my lips are a smidgen fuller. Not like Botox full,
Yeah.
but just a nice plump.
Yeah, nice. Accentuate your natural lips.
Alrighty, so we're gonna be adding some swatches of all the colors here, so you can see all the beautiful colors that they have to offer.
And we're also going to be inserting a photo of both Lauren and I wearing them for the full 8 hours after our shift of work to see how good they stay on. And the plumping, make sure to like and subscribe on YouTube.
And also we are going to be both Pay and I and our Soma Instagram, all 3 are linked below. We are going to be posting as soon as we get our hands on these. We are like beaming with excitement.
So excited.
No, wait.
So make sure to come into Soma and we would both be more than happy to help you guys find your right shade. Stay tuned.
Bye guys.